look at how to create annotations. You can create an annotation from the menu or you can also find it on the ribbon if you select the advanced role. Annotations can be created in the Sim, Assembly Fem, or the Fem. Here we'll create annotations in the Assembly Fem. We can specify the location. It may be difficult to see the text at first because it may be small and it may also not be oriented squarely to the screen. We have a number of different options for specifying the plane to create the annotation in. However, if you right-click in the graphic screen, you can select Parallel to Screen. And this one I believe makes the most sense because no matter what orientation your view is in, the text will always be square to it, so it'll be easy to read. Next, we'll select the font we'd like to create our text in and the size. Then we can enter our text. And here we could just drop it wherever we'd like. However, I'd like to put in a leader as well. And it's best to attach that leader to geometry. So here I'll select Point on Curve, and we'll get the edge from the top of our FADEC. And then we can specify where we want to put the text. Now once we've done that, it's very easy to drag that annotation around to position it where we want. Or if we've made a mistake, we can edit it. Here we can make the leader a little bit longer, or we can change the style of our arrowhead. Now, like any other object that we've created in the Assembly Fem, those objects will roll up to the Sim. So here we can see that annotation in the Sim. Now, since we didn't create the annotation in the Sim, we can't edit it here. We'd have to go back to the Assembly Fem. If we created the annotation in the Sim, just like any other Sim object, we wouldn't be able to see that annotation in our Assembly Fem or Fem. There are a few other valuable options in creating notes that we'll look at next. The first is, if we want, we can put an associative expression in to our note. Here we could link that to another part if we wanted to create an inner part expression. Here I've selected one from the work part. And if we go back and find that expression and change it, we'll see that the note will update. Here I'll use mouse button 2 or the middle mouse button to apply the dialog, and we'll close the expression dialog. We can also create notes based on either part or object attributes as well. And here I've also created a second note with that expression, except in the XZ plane. Alright, we also have a note manager, which allows us to organize our notes and also edit the notes from the note manager. So if we have a note that we'd like to delete or edit, we can edit that note from the note manager. Here I created a second note of that expression. Let's go ahead and delete that one. And we can also create a folder to organize our notes. Here I'll create a FADEC Notes folder. So you can see we have the root folder, which both of the notes are in. If we want, we can select them and move them to our FADEC Notes folder and say Move Note. And here you can see now those notes are in the FADEC Notes folder. So that is how to add annotations to your simulation model.